Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set the classic iPhone ringtone on any of your iPhone. If you're feeling nostalgic or just love that iconic sound, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it to access all your sound customization options. Under Sounds and Haptics, look for the ringtone option and tap on it. This is where you can browse and change your ringtone. Now, you'll notice a list of all the default ringtones. Tap on Reflection and see if this is the one you're looking for. If not, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find a section labeled Classic. Tap on it to reveal a collection of timeless tones. From the Classic section, scroll through the options and select Opening. This is the classic iPhone ringtone that so many people know and love. Also have a look on Marimba. This was also a popular ringtone back in time. Once you've selected it, you're all set. Simply go back to home screen to exit, and your new ringtone will be saved automatically. And that's it. You now have the classic iPhone ringtone set on your iPhone. Pretty simple, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.